Hi, this is Deborah Clutter. Hey guys, how are you doing today? I just wanted to let you know that I have started a new YouTube channel. It's called Pixel to Prototype, and it is for 3D printing. And I know you guys have seen some of my stuff that I have printed, but I opened this new channel with me and my son, and I would appreciate it if everybody goes over there and subscribes. We don't have anything on there yet, but we will soon. Hopefully you're going to see a bunch of sewing stuff, all my bobbin cases, and anything related to sewing. And eventually I think I'm going to open an Etsy shop or something when I get back from vacation and have a way for you to buy those items if you don't have a 3D printer. So maybe it's not, something you're really that interested in, but the items may be something you're interested in. Maybe you just don't want to print them yourself, which is okay. I will print them for you. So just stay tuned and subscribe to my new channel. I'll have it in the description below. I would really appreciate it, and see you guys later. Thanks.